Hello and welcome. My name is Mildred. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to extract information from more than one table using joins in MySQL. In the last lesson, we looked at the actors table, the film actor table, and the film tables to see if they have matching columns. For us to be able to get information from multiple tables, these tables have to have a matching condition or a matching column that we call the predicate. Let's start by taking a deeper look at this table. So we use the circular database, and then I want to select all from actor. We can see the actor table has an actor ID column. This is a column that we want to look for in other tables. Let's say we have a table that returns an actor ID for a film, and we want to know the name of this actor that holds the ID. We don't want to go across tables. We want to generate a table that gives us all the information at once. So we have the actor ID in the actor table. Let's look at the film table. The film table has the film ID but no actor ID here, and so we know that we have the film ID, and so let's look at the film actor table. This has both the film ID and the actor ID, which means that we can match these three tables and extract information that we want from them. The first thing we can do is we might want to join the actor and the film actor table, and we use joins like this. We have different types of join based on what you want to do. We have something we call the inner join, written like this. An inner join is just a statement we use to select records with matching values on both tables that specify. We use the left join if we have multiple tables and we want to return all the records from the left table that has a matching record in the right table. We also use the right join statement when we want to return all the records from the right table that has matching columns in the left table, and then we use the cross join to return all tables. So left join is written left join like this, right join is written right join like this, and cross join is written cross join like this. Alright, so let's look at how to join the actor and the film actor table to extract important information. We can say select all from film actor, and then we use the clause inner join actor on. So the matching column now is actor ID on. So we are going to do film actor dot actor ID is equal to actor dot actor ID. So the join predicate is the actor ID column. Both of them have the actor ID column. So when we do this and we run, if all is well, we should return both tables joined together. So we have the actor ID appearing twice. Here you can filter what you want to select. So we do something like select A dot film ID, A dot actor ID, B dot first name, B dot last name, and this last is underscore name. From film actor A, where we use A as the alias for the film actor, and when we say A dot film ID, A dot actor ID, we're referring to the film actor table as A, and so we put the alias here. From film actor A, inner join actor is going to be B on film actor. So now we're going to put it on A dot actor ID is equal to B dot actor ID, since we are using aliases. And so now when we run this, we should get each return. We have the film ID, actor ID, first name and last name. We have this settled. But what if we want to see the title of the film? That's when we go to the film table. We have a title and a description column, and we can add an alias here, C.title, C.description from film actor A, and here we can do inner join again at the end of this, or you can use cross join, whichever one suits your purpose. So inner join, we want to get the film actor table has a column film ID, so we'll say on A.film ID is equal to C.film ID. So if all is well, we should return both the title and the description of the film with the film ID matching column, and we don't have that there, so there's an error. Film on A, film is C, on A.film ID is equal to C.film ID. So this is the correct syntax. So we select all of the columns from the different tables. We can use alias to represent each table. When we name the table, we have to put the alias in front of it so that MySQL will know that when we say A, we refer to film actor, when we say B, we refer to actor, when we say C, we refer to film. So when we do that, we inner join actor B on A dot actor ID equal to B dot actor ID, and then we inner join again film C on a.filmid equal to c.filmid. And when we run this, we should return all of the columns we want from the three tables. And this is how we use joins. This is a complex method of using joins, but the other method that easier, where we just use a simple syntax of select all from table 1, inner join table 2 on this or on the condition. So this is one way that you find very handy when you start doing this in software development, where you want to return columns or information from different table to make sense or to do something that can be done just on one table alone. So this is where we end this week's lessons. You need to practice to understand this. It looks complex, but when you get the hang of it, it's almost like English syntax. You begin to understand how this works. Thank you and see you next week.